baddies! Welcome back to another video. Today we will be trolling as a dinosaur chicken nugget with granny purse only. Also, before we start, if I roast you, please make sure not to take it to heart as I am not meaning to hurt anyone's feelings intentionally. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Let me snatch this pink starburst up to start. If I have her weave on me, I think I felt some bugs crawling on her hair too. She was away from keyboard, but a well-free stomp, I guess. Let's go find more ops. Jumped into this fight. I let them fight in peace. Hey, Ryder, you need that? I think she did need that because she was trying to run away, but that only resulted into her eating my foot. Let's go find more people to whoop now. Going back to this girl with the spiked purse. Obviously my purse was way much better than her emo great looking out purse. Saw her trying to jump into their fight, but I wasn't having that, even though I tried and jumped her first. She better enjoy that drag because it's the last one she's gonna get. She ate my foot too, and I hope it tasted like nuggets. Oh look, it's me before I got fried. Let's go teach it a lesson for having me turn into this monstrosity when I used to be a beautiful chicken. Then this pink chewed up bubblegum wanted to jump in like girl back up, but I guess she needed that too. Also, keep that chick in mind. It kept trying to spawn kill me and target me, but it only got like to stomps in the end. Also, I let that bacon go because I thought she was just a noob. Anyways, I saw the chick, so I decided to snatch it up again while it was beefing in chat. Then this Lego blocky emo thing looking odd jumped into the fight while I was clocking that Melanie girl up. Turned off my glitter style to get a better drag when I stood back up and then turned it on again so it could do extra damage. I swear I will always hate the fist range because I'll be across the map and yet they will still hit me. Then this green cucumber thing came to jump in with her tomato long on nail. I lagged so bad my HPH went to yellow to red. Stomped on him cause he was basically dead. My bestie joined me. I think that pink starburst meant to throw the bench to the people fighting, but I let it slide. My friend is the monkey, by the way. Decided to look at the new bundle, and honestly, I wanted the Sweet Paw bundle so bad. It was so cute, but I was broke and didn't have Robux. This midnight bundle yells emo. Anyway, skip this part, but basically I got whooped, but my bestie saved me. I just don't like the glitter finisher. It just makes me mad when I see it because it reminds me when I spilled glitter all over the place and I hate to clean it up and the glitter wouldn't get off of my bed. So let's give this monkey the belt for even thinking about owning that finisher. It dragged me, but I got back up and whooped it. Log. Let's go see what I get on my early spin it. Better be kickboxing fighting style or spiked knuckles. I don't even have spiked purse brew. Let's go take my anger and frustration out on this thing. It dragged me, but I'll get back up just to see. My friend coming to help. I would have ate it up alone because it sucked with its stop sign. She needed to return it because I think it was broken. That Lord Farquaad thing jumped me, so I jumped it back. Okay, girl, I will sense you. Jumped into my fight, and you said so. This mimic thing looked like it needed a good whooping, but it looked like a try-hard pro, so I left it alone. This thing came back, so why not whoop it again? I snatched its wig off so her scalp could finally breath. How was it hitting me while it was squirming on the ground? It got back up and dragged me, but I still whooped her. Girl, I'm right behind you. What are you pepper spraying the air? Who is this blocking Lego looking and jumping in? Thank God my friend came, or else I would have been seeing red right now. How did this thing keep standing up like sit down, girl? Stomped on its back till I turned around and saw the thing that jumped in my fight running away, so I dragged it so it would stay still. The log. Thought the new pack would be able to be a bot too, like the fart pack finisher one, but I guess not. I think the thing was trying to steal the stomp, but this March Malauka thing tried that again with me for like the third time. Oh my God, that stop sign hitbox. Finally got a drag on it after throwing a bench at that thing. Whooping her. Not her trying to run away, but she just fell on the ground. Lol, I ate that up. My friend. Lol, not her trying to drag me, but she dragged someone else on accident. I guess I'll just whoop both of them since they are both together. Never mind that other girl didn't want it, but this thing sure did. She got whooped for like the 5th time or something. Waiting for her to spin the block again. Saw this big hamster with the glitter finisher on, so I knew she would need that. How did she drag me? I was literally right behind her. Why is she running now? Like, girl, get back here. I'm not done with you. I think this thing tried to tase me, but I accidentally dragged it, so I wanted to whoop it for trying to tase me and getting in my way. Why did it say, oh, like, don't be confused, girl, I saw your attempt on that tase. Then this thing with the chewed up bubblegum mask jumped in like, who are you? She really pissed me off now. Then that other thing tased me while I was trying to get hitboxed in. Her bat also pissed me off. Mid-off finisher. Going back because there is no way. They think they are gonna get away with that. I was so close to pulling out my spike bat, but I remembered I was only able to use Granny Purse. Saw them 2v1 this poor bacon, like how bad are you actually? Then this thing I whooped like the times came back. Not bringing me near that other thing so they could 2v1 me. All of that for one person just to get clipped. I got some few hits in, but they got the stomp. Not her waiting for the chick to stand up so it could stomp on me. That is skill issue right there. I guess the chick didn't want to stomp on me, but this obese thing sure did want to. Then I spawned to this kiss here trying to spawn kill me, but I wasn't having that, so I broke the rules and took out my stop sign. Wow, how did you fumble that bag? Then this marshmallow got me on low while I thought she ate my foot too many times. She came back. Finisher sucked too, just like her parents' divorcement issue. Why was I stuck so long in that finisher animation? I hate to spawn in the subway because it takes so long to go back to whatever place you need to go. Trying to search for that thing. Where is it hiding like come out girl? Not in logging after the only stomp it was ever able to get is when I was low, just pure embarrassment. I wish I clipped her user, but oh well. I want to take my anger and frustration out on this thing. Why was it not attempting to fight back? Whatever, I still whooped it anyways. Why was there a whole crowd watching like, calm down, this ain't a concert or something? Got this thing to teach it a lesson to mind her business. Then all of the biggies followed to watch too, like backup unless you all want to belt one by one. Why was it running away? My pepper spray came in clutch cause she fell on the ground and ate my foot. Saw this thing and I remembered when it tried to v1 me and spawn kill me, so I instantly went red and wanted to whoop this piss hair. Trying to make it drag random. It drags someone else, but a win is a win, I guess. Excuse me. You literally tried to spawn kill me 2v1 me now, you're saying that I'm embarrassing. Go hop off and touch some grass. I think that girl was trying to help me, but I let it slide. Has this piss hair not learned anything from my whoppings or something? I swear it better put its bat away, because when I come back it's gonna turn into fried chicken. Went ahead and clipped its user. How am I still alive? I got stomped, but my friend came to help. Now it's trying to run. Doesn't feel so good when you're being to V1 now, huh? It keeps saying embarrassing, like just shut up at this moment. Oh my God, get out of my way. You want to be baddie. It's been running so much, it's probably lost like 40 calories by now. Yeah, okay, keep talking. I knew it was gonna run until it had full HPH and turned its PvP off, so I wasn't gonna waste my time on it. Getting my blue up on random. Admiring the pack. The bat looks so pretty. Anyways, let me just focus on what I was doing again. Saw my friend eating it to V1 up. I didn't like the way this thing was doing weird things, so I knew it needed a whoop. It better kiss that pipe goodbye, because it's about to loose it as soon as it eats my foot. That pipe range was so rigged. Okay, where is this Nomlin thing running to now? Snatched it up so I could stomp on it. Why wasn't I able to get my blue for like a second? Oh my God, let me stomp on this thing. Finally. Let's go see who else needs that. Snatch this monkey up to go send it back to the zoo where it escaped from. Why are you acting confused, girl? I'm trying to whoop you. Where are you running to? Because there are no bananas around you, so let me finish giving you belts. You really tased just to run away, you coward. Where did this thing come out of? Girl, back up. I am trying to get my blue bar. Let's go see who else needs that. Let's snatch Granny up since she's about to collapse and faint any second. Let's speed this up for her. Stop spam jumping, you kangaroo, sit down. As I said, you can never spam jump better than me. Ate Granny up and broke her back too. I remember this thing when it tried to jump in my fight, so let's snatch it up too. Instantly logged law. Saw this thing walking, so let's break that piece and make her taste my purse. Never mind, I'm not gonna chase after her, I'll just go whoop someone else because I'm not gonna run a marathon just to get a stomp. Girl, I think you need to return that Spike Stanley because you only got one hit in. Like the third time someone has logged today. Saw this boy just standing there doing nothing, so I'll give him something to do. I think it was away from keyboard, but then it came back. His lag betrayed him because he wasn't able to run away from my whooping. How the flip did he stand back up? Oh my God, just stop running and let me stomp on you. Like, it ain't that hard to accept you've been whooped. Let's go get this bacon, just walking to get my frustration out since everyone has been logging and running. Ew, get your musty hands off me. The thing that ran suddenly popped up again. This time I'm not gonna let it slide and I'm gonna get my stomp I earned. Then this bacon dragged me and they both 2v1 me like people cannot fight alone now in baddies anymore. Got back up and I was locked in because no waysy way they were gonna 2v1 me. Nope, not today. Started spam jumping and she ended up dragging the other guy instead of me. Not both of them getting eaten up. Embarrassingly got whooped in a 2v1 and it even said spam jumping while she thought we were all gonna forget she started to 2v1 me in the first place. Spotted it and decided she needed another whooping after failing an attempt at 2v1 me. Girl, needing two people to whoop one is way worse than me spam jumping, so shut up. Lol, she got it approved jumper suck alone. Also, I don't care if she was using fists while I was using purse because she asked to fight me with fists and I ate her up still. She said can't fight alone, so let's go prove her wrong. Time to whoop her like the other 2 times I did. Girl, I was running because you pepper sprayed me. Also, I didn't run. I backed up for hitbox to get a drag on you. off on how people are able to hit and drag while on the ground after ragdolling when you throw a throwable at them. She still got ate up even with fists. She might as well need a pacifier from how much she's whining and crying. Spotted her, so let's go whoop her again with fists only. She was getting eaten up. She could barely hit. Help not her saying run when I'm sure y'all just saw her also run. She still got ate up. I was even trying to heal, then she popped up and came out of nowhere. I just ran, but I didn't before when I was whooping you inside the brick building. It got me here, but I'm still gonna get my stomp back. Girl, you keep pepper spraying me when I try and get my drag in. The stop sign hitbox pisses me off. I got back up and dragged it because I was not about to let it get another stomp on me. Thankfully, I clutched that and ate her up. Let's go find someone new. Girl, I wasn't even talking. Spotted her, so let's go make her eat my foot again. Range is making me see red. friend coming to the rescue until this yellow pissed on Laffy Taffy also jumped in. Let's go whoop her again, even though I'm at low. Also, she's saying me to jump when keep in mind all of this started when she jumped me first. Where in the world was she running off to then coming back? Help, I couldn't see anything. I think this thing thought I was helping or something, but it thought wrong. Now look at both of them getting eaten up. Okay, girl, just log off. This thing that's head was built like a lemon dragged me when I thought it already got whooped by my friend. Now it's spam jumping. Anyways, Lades, that is gonna be it for today's video. This is kinda a long video, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. Love you all and see you in the next video. Bye. Also make sure to check out my friend's channel Milky Bun. Now far. Bye.